Hi besties and welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog I'm going to show you what I eat in a day to stay lean, toned and to lose weight. By the way guys, I've booked a new trip, so I am going on vacation and I can't wait to go on this vacation. It will be so warm there and I just can't wait for this vacation. I feel like I'm so motivated to get the best out of my shape, my body shape, and to finally feel confident in your body, especially when you're wearing a bikini or you're laying on the beach. You just want to feel confident in your body. So we are going to do a small calorie deficit. So this video is perfect if you want to lose weight and you have no clue what to eat on a daily basis. So today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day, and I already drank my cup of tea. It is a Brennnessel tea. What is it called in English? I just put it here. But anyways, this is what I always drink in the morning, a hot or a warm tea for my gut, and I feel like this is the best way. And I haven't eaten anything yet, so we have 11 a.m. and I haven't eaten anything because I just drank the tea and I was working, and I'm going to film a new workout now, and after that we are going to eat. And I'm not eating much in the morning because I feel like if you're eating less in the morning you can eat more in the afternoon or for a dinner. So that's my magic trick. So I'm not eating till 1 p.m. So yeah, that's the plan, and I'm going to film a workout, and after that I'm going to drink my protein shake. We are going to do it together, but first I'm going to work a tiny bit, and I would say I'll see you when I am doing my protein shake. Oh my god, you guys, the dancing was so exhausting. I'm just so sweating, but I did it. And now we are going to do the protein shake. So let's go. I always go with 150 milliliters of water and 100 milliliters of oat milk in the flavor vanilla. And now we are using this milk. And now you just take your favorite protein powder. I'm going to use a chocolatey one. And now we are going to mix it together. By the way guys, we have 12 p.m. and I have to say I'm already so hungry, but we are going to drink this first and then in an hour I can eat. I really have to say that whenever I'm drinking my protein shake, I'm not hungry anymore. So protein shake in the morning is the best thing you can do. Sometimes I feel bloated after drinking a protein shake. That's why I actually eat one egg before drinking this one. But I already filmed the workout, so even if I'm bloated after drinking it, I just don't mind because I'm anyways just at home. And yeah, so let's drink this. Also, you should always take your time drinking the protein shake, because if you drink it too fast, then you will be definitely bloated. So take your time. Alright guys, oh my god, we already have 2:30 p.m. and I was working and I finally finished to edit this video. It is rendering right now, so I have time to eat and I am hungry. So I finished my protein shake and I don't want to starve, so please, I just forgot the time because I was so into editing that I just forgot the time. I would have eaten at 1 p.m. actually, but now we have 2 p.m. but we are going to eat. And what I am going to eat is, I bought some bread yesterday because yesterday my mom came to visit us, and then we bought some bread, and she also cooked my favorite curry. She cooked an eggplant curry, and I'm just going to eat it with the 2 leftover breads because otherwise I would just throw it away, and I don't want to throw them away, so I'm going to eat the curry, the eggplant curry with this bread. And we are also going to track it on my phone, because if we want to stay in a calorie deficit, we definitely have to track our food That way we know how much food we are eating, if we are eating enough proteins and stuff like that. If you want to lose weight, then you have to track your meals, and I'm tracking my meals with FitnessPal. So let me show you. So this is, and I am tracking my calories here. You just tap on the search button and then you can just search. So I ate today the protein coffee with the Oatly milk. So we are also going to track that. And now I'm going to eat these two bread here. So let me check if I can find it here. For the curry, it is super difficult to track it because I have no idea what ingredients my mom put in there. So we have to guess a tiny bit. So I'm just searching for an eggplant curry, and I think I'm just going with this one. There is an eggplant curry. It says 600 calories, but I'm not eating 600 calories, like it is not that heavy, I think. We have to guess, guys, because I have no clue. So usually I just eat food that I can also track, but as I said, my mom cooked the food for me and I just don't want to throw it away. I just want to eat it and then it is fine. It's not that bad, guys. If you don't know the calories, you can guess a tiny bit, maybe 400 to 500 calories. Let's do 430 calories, and then we are also going to track it. I mean, the macros are wrong. The important thing is to know about your calories and if you have enough proteins in, fat and fiber, etc. It's also important, but it's not that important. You know what I mean? It is still important, but for me, I just look at the calories and also the protein intake. So let's finally eat. I am so hungry. So this is how it looks right now, and I promise it tastes better than it actually looks. So this is the curry and it's so delicious. I absolutely love it. I also put the bread in the air fryer and now it is so crispy and warm. So let's eat it. I could also eat it like with a naan bread, but I just feel like it is too much work, and with my leftover bread, it is tasty. So cheers. I just finished everything and oh my god, it was so spicy. Oh my god, we need some water, like this was so spicy. So I'm just going to drink my water and then I need some rest. And by rest, I mean I have to work. So I see you later. Alright guys, I am hungry again and now it's almost 5 p.m. So we are going to do a pre-workout snack actually. It's not like a real pre-workout snack. I just want to have energy when I'm going to the gym in 3 hours. So we are going to do some chicken and I'm going to put it like in this stuff here, so it is like a schnitzel, something like that. So we are going to do that and we are also going to eat it with a tiny bit of fries. So let's do that. So the fries are also already in the oven. While my food is in the oven, I am drinking my water. It is just with a syrup. My daily routine is so boring. I'm just working on my laptop, I'm working out, and then I'm just going to the gym. That's it. But that's my life actually. It's that boring. Anyways, and let me give you one weight loss tip already. So the first one is drink a lot of water, or just water with syrup. It has no sugar in it, and this also really helps with cravings, with if you are hungry, it also helps. So always drink your water. So you guys, this is the food, and I'm also going to put on some zero ketchup. It looks so sad, I know, but I could also have made some veggies. But you guys, I actually would have done some veggies, but I'm just so lazy, and this is realistic what I eat in a day. And today my realistic food is just fries with chicken. So I already tracked the calories and now I'm just going to eat it because I am so hungry. So You guys, I'm just back home from the gym and I also bought me my dinner. It looks like this. And I was craving it and it is so simple. It is healthy. It has avocado, chicken and rice in it. And I'm going to eat this as my dinner, and maybe after I'm also drinking a protein shake after. So yeah, that's actually it for now. So today was a bit hectic, so I'm so sorry that we didn't cook like proper meals. If you want me to cook more easy recipes that you can do quickly at home but that are also healthy, then let me know in the comments. And I'm so sorry, I feel so bad for this vlog because it is just mainly about eating stuff like that. But sometimes I just don't have that much time to cook in the kitchen because I'm just working all the time, so I'm so sorry. But if you let me know in the comments what recipes would you love to have. Is it lunch or is it breakfast, or shall we just do a day where I only cook at home, like with just 5 ingredients or so? Maybe we could do like a challenge. I think that would be so cool. So let me know in the comments if you would like to have that, and then we can definitely make that. I am so done now. As you can see, gym just knocked me out, so I'm going to edit this vlog now so it can be up on Sunday. So yeah, so that's it with the vlog. If you like this vlog, then let me know by hitting the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I would say I'll see you next time.